Living with the Hypersport is where it really separates from the pack. First, the transmission. There isn't one. A single-speed drive means traffic is a breeze. No clutch hand cramp, no finding neutral, and second, and this is a big one, no heat. I got stuck in gridlock and my legs weren't cooking. That alone is a massive win over any V-twin or inline-4 superbike. The real-world range is the big question. Damon claims 200 miles combined. In commute mode, babying the throttle, I could see that. But when you ride this thing like a sport bike, dipping into that 200 horsepower well of instant torque, that number plummets. Realistically, if you're out for a Sunday blast, you're thinking about a charge after 120, 130 miles. The good news is, it has CCS DC fast charging. I plugged into a station, and it went from 20% to 80% in about 40 minutes. That's a proper coffee and a stretch stop, not a ruined afternoon.